Hello there. How are you doing today? I hope you're feeling well, and I hope that you are ready for this meditative reading to talk about your next move in life. If you enjoy these types of readings, which I do ASMR style to help you relax and focus your mind, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and or support my work by booking a private reading with me. You can find the details in the description box if you're interested in that. So, into the reading. We're going to have 3 major life situations laid out for you. And you can look at your next move regarding whichever you are most interested in. So I'm using these gypsy cards, which are very different than the tarot. I'm only using them to help us define the theme of your reading. So let's look at the first one. This one is called luck. So, if there's a situation in your life where you feel like you need to have more luck in order to be successful, then this card is going to guide you in this reading. And you know what they say, luck is when preparation meets opportunity. So, luck doesn't just happen. It doesn't come out of thin air. There's obviously lots of energy invested into your goals. If you want to be successful, that's a rule. You have to work a lot to achieve them, but luck is that secret ingredient, that dash of mystery, the added element to your success. The next one is called marriage. If you're married or if you are in a long-term relationship, this card is going to guide you in our reading. If you feel like more situations apply to you and your life, you can pick multiple ones. And the third one is loyalty. So, if you have the question of loyalty in your mind, whether it be professional or romantic or even friendship loyalty, this card will guide you in that situation. So let us now move on to the tarot cards. By the way, if you're having a difficult time coming to a decision, the tarot can help you. And I have the so-called decision reading available on my website. This is a reading type that I often use in my own life as well. It is immensely helpful in the decision-making process. And if you want to learn more about it, I encourage you to check out my website. You will find it in the bronze tier. Okay, so this one is for luck. This one is for marriage. And this one is for loyalty. So, your next move. The Star. What a beautiful card. This is for luck. In order to connect with the energy of love in a more efficient way. Not only love, but also confidence and luck. The Star, which is a major arcana card. It's a beautiful card, very powerful, very mysterious. This card is asking you to connect with that part of you, that ancient part of you, that all-knowing, wise and deep layer of yourself that looks at you, the individual, the ego, and considers you to be his friend. That part of you which is your mentor, this ancient, wise, all-knowing segment of your personality. You can consult this personality. You can consult this part of you simply by asking him, them, what should my next move be? Where is my star guiding me? Where is my dream guiding me? The star is asking you to take risks and to dream big. If you do that, you will find that luck will start to look for you. If you are sitting in your apartment, looking at the 4 walls that are surrounding you, examining the wallpaper, if you don't pick up the phone and call anybody, if you don't connect with others, luck will not be able to find you because you're not putting that energy out there. You're not taking the initiative. But the star can help you with that. Believe it. Believe that you can do it, and you will be able to do it. And in terms of what your next move should be, I encourage you to consult with this internal mentor. Just listen to his voice or her voice. It's a genderless voice. And try to see what they are trying to tell you, what they are incentivizing you to do. You know, you can stop this video, you can stop this meditation at any point and go deep and meditate on your next move by simply asking your guide, your mentor, where is the dream taking me next? How do I get there? What is the vehicle of my luck? In terms of marriage, the card is the Son of Pentacles. This is the Knight of Pentacles in the traditional tarot, the Knight of Earth. And knights in general represent a sort of unreliable energy. So your next move here is to build more trust. It is to represent to your partner that you can be trusted, to create more consistency in your relationship. And since this card is connected with Pentacles, the main idea is to remain very pragmatic, to remain on the grounds of reality, consensus reality, tangible reality, to to try and provide for the needs of your partner in a practical fashion, instead of theorizing or coming up with promises, speaking the language of actions. If there's resentment, it is a good time to drop that resentment and turn a new page, even if that's hard. If you can come to an agreement between the two of you where it is crystal clear and very practical, the sort of boundaries and requirements that you have for one another, your relationship will grow. The Knight of Pentacles does not have full control or a good expertise of the Pentacle suit, but he is on his way there. He's on his way to understanding how it works. So, taking it as a learning curve, a journey that will teach you something, can help. And if you can learn together, you can grow together. And finally, in terms of loyalty, we have the Hanged Man show up for you. The Hanged Man, the 12th card of the Major Arcana, represents a state of stagnation. Loyalty seems to be somewhat of a trap for you. Ask yourself whether the loyalty that you have for the people in your life, whether they be romantic partners or business associates or friends, whether that loyalty is diminishing the quality of your life or whether it elevates it. This is a serious question, and the Hanged Man is a serious card to consider. So, when it comes to loyalty, we all want to believe that we are loyal, that we can stick to our principles, and that we can be persistent in this avenue of life. But the truth is, sometimes it's really hard to find your way, and it's really hard to know what's what, because the present is experienced through the lens of the past. The present is rarely directed or connected to in a direct fashion, if that makes sense. So you don't necessarily have a straightforward connection to your present situation, but rather you're understanding it via these mental structures, these schemas that have been shaped by the past. So ask yourself whether you really owe loyalty to someone or some organization or situation. And also ask yourself on the other side whether other people owe it to you. What does it really mean when you're expecting loyalty out of them? What exactly do you need? The Hanged Man is a meditative, a contemplative card. So in terms of your next move regarding this, it is advising you to take a step back and reevaluate the situation, to question the very foundations of what loyalty means to you. and what you expect from other people when it comes to loyalty. So, I thank all of you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for being here, for subscribing to my channel, for liking this video, and I hope to see you in another